Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a white border to your Instagram post photo. So in here, what you need to do is just use any photo editing apps actually, but here I'm using PicsArt. So let's open the PicsArt app first. And then after that you can just go to the create page, so just click on the plus button in here and then find the white background. So here I'm going to choose the color background and use a white color, and after that you can just find the add photo options, click on add photo and add the photo on the photo that you want to post to your Instagram. So for example, I'm going to upload this photos right here. Click on add, adjust the size to how much you want the frame to be on the photo. I'm going to go with like this, and after that you can just click on the arrow down to save the photo. Now so the photo is saved to your gallery, you can just click on Instagram button in here to directly post it in your Instagram, and then you can just click on next, or you can just open Instagram apps, click on the plus button and then choose the photo, this one, click on next. After that you can see that there is a white border around the photo. Now you can add music to Instagram posts. For example, I'm going to just add this music, and after that you click on the check icon and click on next. Then just write the captions that you want for your photo. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.